Hey, welcome back, Math 7. So this con is called Making Predictions with Probability. Okay, so let's get started, and we're going to do a little thinking on this one. Amit is going to guess on all 20 questions of his multiple choice test. By the way, I don't encourage you to guess on all questions of a multiple choice test, but I guess Amit is going to do this. Each question on the test has 4 options, and only one of them is correct. So logic tells you if there's 20 questions on the test and there's 4 choices, that he will pick each of the choices 5 times. He'll pick the right one 5 times, he'll pick each of the wrong ones 5 times each. So I get where you logically would say that, well, that means he would choose exactly 5 questions. But here's my question. When you're guessing like that, does it always work where you're going to guess exactly 5 times every single time? I mean, will it be every single time? Or will sometimes you get a little bit more than 5, sometimes you get a little less than 5, but generally speaking, you're going to get fairly close to 5. Would you all agree with that? So what you choose in these, what we're talking about when you're making predictions, predictions are not an exact science. So I want you to understand that. Predictions are not exactly. They're close to. They try to get something close to it. So our answer for this one would be letter B. Okay, let's do one more here. Okay, Michaela has an MP3 player called the Jumble. The Jumble randomly selects songs for her to listen to. Now, she has 4 techno songs on this. She has 2 country songs and she has 3 jazz songs on it. Totally, she has 9 songs on this. Now, she's going to listen to 270 songs. Think about that, 270. So if you think about this, you take the 270 and you divide it by the 9 songs. Each of those 9 songs on there, she will listen to about 30 times each. Okay. So now the question becomes, okay, um, it's all about, looks like country songs, country songs, country songs, country songs. Since there are 2 country songs, and she's going to listen to each of them about 30 times, okay, that means she's going to listen to those country songs approximately 60 times, okay. Now, again, I'm just going to reiterate this. Is it exactly? No, because it's a prediction. And she will probably listen to those country songs a few more than 60 or a few less than 60, but it's going to be somewhere close to 60 is our best prediction. All right, that's all there is to it, guys. See you on Hangouts. Bye-bye.